Alright guys, what's up? Quick video. I just put together my trolling motor mount. Check it out. Stay tuned and I will show you how I did it. Thanks for watching. Alright, so picked this bad boy up today. 30-pound thrust. Motor guide. I wanted a Minn Kota, but they were out. So I figured, you know, we'll try this out. Something new, maybe do a little product review. So here she is. I also picked up my marine battery and my battery box. Alright, upgrade to the Kayak. I added a trolling motor. I do not like this setup. As you can see why. Alright, all I've done so far is take these out. You have 4 on the Tamarack. So I took these out on each side. Anyway, just a Phillips screw. Took that out. And then I drilled a 1/4 of an inch hole. I mean, these holes were already there. I just, you know, made them wider with a 1/4 inch drill. I'm going to use these 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch bolts. They're 3 inches long. I got the washers. I'm going to stick them out of here. I'm going to attach them to the steel rod, and we are going to go from there. Alright, now I stuck the bolts in with a washer on the other side. I just lined up my metal rod or steel rod, made the marks to drill, and here we go. But anyway, I got wing nuts on these, so it's very secure. Very, very secure actually. As you can see, I'm shaking it. Right here, I drilled 2 holes, quarter of an inch. These are 6-inch screws. Got wing nuts on these as well. I'm going to cut it off right here with an angle grinder. And I cut this piece of 2x4. As you can see, I'm about to drill some holes, and it's going to stick in right here, and that's what the motor's going to mount on. Now I have my wood drilled out with the bolts in. I'm going to put it in here and mount it and cut this, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Now that is sturdy. Now I'm just going to put these washers on and wing nuts, and we'll be good to go. Alright, now this is on. I probably should have used nuts. However, my way of thinking was I wanted to be able to take everything apart. That's why I used wing nuts, but this will work for now. Tomorrow, I'm going to make more modifications to it. Come to think of it, I probably need to paint the thing too. But I cut off the end with my angle grinder. I grinded the end a little bit to smooth it out. Tomorrow I'm going to work on it more. As you can see, it's getting late. There's my pond or lake, whatever. Anyway, but this is it so far. Tomorrow we're going to test it out, and I'll mount it real quick just so you guys can see. So this is it right here so far. This thing is super sturdy. I mean, I am proud of myself. It doesn't shake. The only shake is in the trolling motor, but the mount itself is great. And if I ever decide to take this off, I can just, you know, take these wing nuts out, and I can't use these anymore because the screw is a lot smaller. But that's why I have these. I'm going to put in here tomorrow. But if I ever decide to take these out, then I can just put them in here. But this thing is amazing. I am so proud of myself. This is sturdy. It's going to do good. But tomorrow I'm going to be working on it a little more, and I'll be sure to make a little video, show my update. If you guys like this at all, just do me a favor, slap that like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to. Tell me what you think in the comments. Thank you.